Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Continuing our top 5 static and dynamic MCQ series. First question of the day is, which article of the Indian Constitution describes the formation of interstate council? Option A Article 63, option B Article 163, option C Article 263, option D Article 363, and the correct option is option C Article 263 describes the formation of interstate council which is appointed or found by the President of India. Now moving to second question, match the correct option. One side institution is given, on the other hand who heads it is given. First, CSIR Council of Scientific and Industrial Research is headed by Prime Minister. Second statement, GST Council is headed by Finance Minister. Here you have to match the correct option, so the correct answer is, or option is option C both, because CSIR is headed by Prime Minister and GST Council is headed by Finance Minister, so option C is correct. Now moving to third question, which option is incorrect for the Sela Pass mountain range? First statement, it is a high altitude mountain pass located on the border between the Tawang and West Kaméng district of Arunachal Pradesh. Yes, it is correct statement. Second, it is also a sacred site in Tibetan Buddhism. Yes, it is also correct. So the question is asking for incorrect, but both the statement is correct. So answer D, none. So now moving to fourth question, which one of the given committee was constituted for the liberalization of railways by allowing the entry of private operators to provide services? Option A Vivek Devrai Committee, option B Hota Committee, option C Baba Kalyani Committee, option D Ashok Dalwai Committee. And the correct option is option A Vivek Devrai Committee was constituted for the liberalization of railways by allowing the entry of private operators to provide services. Now moving to fifth question, which two countries are involved in Dayton Agreement or Dayton Accords or Dayton Peace Agreement? Option A Bosnia and Poland, option B Bosnia and Herzegovina, option C Bosnia and Serbia, option D Bosnia and Italy. And the correct statement is option B Bosnia and Herzegovina is involved in Dayton Agreement or Dayton Accords or Dayton Peace Agreement. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers of our Last Mile Approach channel. Please like, share, subscribe and support our initiative.